You probably know a little bit about climate change. Climate change is the result of CO2 emissions being launched into our atmosphere. It causes temperatures to rise, precipitation changes, and wind pattern changes. To learn more about climate change, go to our older video, Climate Change Lesson.
There are many items that you might buy, but they all have their effects on climate change. For example, plastic items, clothes, and even lumber and paper items. Making plastic uses a lot of chemicals and launches a lot of CO2 emissions for even just a little bit. Clothes are made out of things like polyester, rayon, and other bad substances.
Of course, you can still buy clothes, toys, furniture, and appliances. You just need to be careful with it. Don't buy 12 new shirts at the shopping mall and 12 more the following week. Know how often you'll wear them and go from there.
Don't laugh, but one of the main reasons for climate change is farts. Okay, fine, if you want to laugh, you can do it now. But in all seriousness, livestock fed poorly get gassy, and their gas, unlike humans, have large farts, and those farts release CO2 emissions. So simply eating less of their products or making sure they are well fed is a very helpful step.
Even if devices are not in use, they can still use energy by just being plugged in. This is called energy vampire, and it can drain electricity in forms of computers, fans, and much more. When you're done with the device, just unplug it and plug it back in when necessary. Send a text message, share this video, write a social media post, make a poster, or just talk to a friend. When just a few extra people are taking necessary precautions and telling other people about it, a chain reaction of awareness is spread. Biking, walking, or other forms of carbon-friendly transportation can cut down 15% of the carbon emissions that occur worldwide. Plus, biking and walking are good ways to lower local air pollution and are good exercise. Many towns are switching to 100% renewable energy. Some forms of renewable energy include wind power, solar power, tidal power, and much more. If you're not in one of these towns, that doesn't mean you can't still help. You can switch personally and encourage others to do the same. Many people will buy excessive amounts of food, then waste most of it because they don't know what they will really eat. The result, they eat what's in front of the fridge and the rest goes bad and gets thrown out. Set up a weekly plan for food so that you don't buy more than you can eat.